Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video I will show you how to edit very smooth slow motion, so let's start. Press the plus button. Press the media button and then press the video button. Select your video you want to edit. Press the 3 lines button. Press the time interpolation and then click the optical flow 5.0. Adjust the stretch to change speed. Export if you done. Press the play button to export. Thanks for watching.